Hello, dear students. I hope you are okay and doing well. Today we are going to start a new unit. It's unit number 7 on page 58 and it is about entertainment. So first, what is entertainment? What is entertainment? Entertainment is a fun activity. Fun, which means there is a lot of fun when we do it. Also, things we do in our free time, when we are free, when we don't have school and when we are free. These are things we do in our free time. It's called entertainment, okay? Amusing, which means it is fun. Also, activities we like and enjoy. Let's see now types of entertainment. We can say types of entertainment or forms of entertainment or means of entertainment. For example, we can ask the question, what do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? Or what do you do in your free time? Okay? For example, movie or film. This is a movie or film. There are many types of films. For example, an action movie, a comedy film, a drama film, a romantic film or movie, a horror movie. Horror, which means scary. Oh. Then we have documentaries or a documentary, just like the ones we see on National Geographic. Good. For example, I like action films. Let's watch a comedy film tonight, this night. I watch a movie or I watch movies. She watches movies. Good. Now, what is this? This one? It is a TV or television. The short form is TV, the full form television. Examples: my family watch TV every day. Let's watch TV tonight. Good. And what is this? It is the cinema. The cinema. For example, I go to the cinema every weekend. But Fatima goes to the cinema with her friends. And what is this? It is the theater. Theater. Examples: let's go to the theater today. Good. Now, and what is this? We call it the zoo. The zoo. Examples: there is a big zoo in Rabat. Let's go to the zoo and watch animals. Animals, for example, like the lion, elephant, gorilla. Okay? These are animals. And now what is this? It is called the circus. The circus. Examples: let's go to the circus and watch the clown. Okay? Good. Now let's move on. And this is a concert or the concerts. A concert. Good, as you can see, it is a concert. Examples. Let's go to the Mawazin concert this summer. Let's go to the Mawazin concert this summer. And in concerts we listen to music. Good, as you can see in this picture, they are young, and we can say youth. Youth, shabab, okay? And we already know the club, so the youth club. The youth club. Examples. Let's go to the youth club and play games. Let's go to the youth club and play games. Good. Now, what is this? It is a big stadium. A stadium. A stadium. Examples. I have 2 tickets for the Raja and Wydad match. Let's go and watch it. Let's go and watch it. Another example. Let's go to the stadium and watch a football match. This one we call it the amusement park. The amusement park. For example, let's go to the park and ride the wheel. The verb to ride, for example, we've already studied this verb. I ride my bicycle to work. So let's go to this park and ride the wheel. This is the wheel in the picture, okay? Good. Okay, dear students, this is today's lesson, and it is an introduction to entertainment. I will see you another time with a new lesson. Take care.